Go.
Welcome to Mid-East Radiators and Air Conditioning. I'm Chris. I'm going to take you a little look through and show you what we can do. This is a mobile van, so we can come to your office, we can come to your house and do the regases all there for you. Come in and see the factory. Nitrogen testing the car. See what it's leaking. If you get a car that leaks, Paul here is just about to nitrogen test the car and see if we can find any leaks before we regas the car. As you can see, the Mercedes down here is just about to get regassed. Showing the office and the waiting room.
I'm still recording, yeah?
Coming to waiting room where we have free Wi-Fi and coffee while you wait and watch some TV.